Hi there, Lorraine here from KnitsonMain, and I'm making this video to show you my two-color cast-on for the Poncho Liberté. I'm going to include the link in my pattern and wanted to show you the reason behind my two-color cast-on. So I'm using a knitted cast-on, and I've already knitted about 14 stitches, and this is gray, and I'm going to knit another stitch, or cast on, I should say, another stitch, cast on another stitch. And the Poncho Liberté pattern calls for casting on 100 stitches in your color A, your dominant color, and then 20 stitches in your secondary color. So the Intarsia method is used in the Poncho Liberté, and that's why I'm casting on two colors, because you'll begin with the Intarsia method right from the first row. So I've cast on my gray, and now I'm going to cast on my white yarn. So I'm going to just insert my right needle, put my white yarn in or on the needle, pull it through, and simply continue using the knitted cast on method to put that second color on the needle. And there it is. It's caught, excuse me. It's caught by the gray yarn. And now you can just continue with the white. And that's it. It's a knitted cast on using two colors of yarn for the Poncho Liberté. And once you start knitting, in this example I've got gray and white. My Poncho Liberté I used indigo and gray for the first two colors. I will begin knitting with the white, which actually is the secondary color, and then go into the gray using the Intarsia method. Okay, thanks.